What if I told you that you could make $4,000 per month without a product, without an audience, and without spending hours posting on social media? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how people are turning Pinterest plus ChatGPT into a passive income machine in 2025. And the best part? You can start in just a few minutes. Pinterest is not just about recipes and DIY crafts anymore. It's a traffic powerhouse with over 482 million active users every month. And unlike TikTok or YouTube, content on Pinterest has a long shelf life. Pins you post today can drive traffic for years. Combine that with ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting, and you've got a scalable side hustle that can easily turn into a full-time income. Here's the 7-prompt system I use with ChatGPT to make Pinterest work like a digital ATM. This exact system is what people are using to build digital cash machines that make money even while they sleep. No product, no followers, just smart content plus smarter prompts. And the results speak for themselves. Balances like $10,000 just waiting to be withdrawn. If you want these exact ChatGPT prompts I just shared, screenshot them, save them, and start building your Pinterest income stream today. Use these prompts, take action, and you could be just one pin away from your first $4,000 per month. And if you found this helpful and you're serious about building your own online income, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I share proven strategies, AI tools, and step-by-step methods every week to help you grow faster and earn smarter. Don't just watch others win, join the journey and start stacking results for yourself. Subscribe. And let's build your digital freedom together.